Welcome to Computer Chronicles. Hi, I'm Derek Smith, your host. Avexir Memory has been around for a few years, and they've made just heavy strides in the lighted memory market. Also, I would really probably classify them as modders memory. And really why I say that is because they really are in tune and synchronize with the boards and with the modders personally. The CEO of Avexir has been very, very integral in making sure that the modders have had input into the way that their memory has been made, and it really has made a difference. Avexir's new Blitz memory is really, really beautiful. The case that it comes in is even custom. It looks like maybe a watch or some really high-priced cologne, but this is actually the box that the memory comes in here. And it's got Avexir Blitz on it. It's kind of hard to read, but who cares? I mean, we want what's inside. Anyway, the inside is really nice too. It's very padded. The pad is very, very, very strong. And the memory comes in the box like this, not just in a piece of shrink wrap or shrink plastic that you normally see. Now, the great thing about these is they're ultra customizable. Avexir can even make your CPU-Z, whenever you're checking your memory, actually show your name or your company's name or logo in the actual BIOS of the CPU-Z memory. And also, the lighting looks awesome. It's not an overpowering light. What I like about it is it's more of an accent. It goes along with it without taking over the whole board. And you know, the thing about these is if you're just a regular builder and you want to buy something cheap to put your build together for just a basic gaming machine, this is probably not the memory that you want. But if you're a modder and you need everything to look just right, Avexir is the way to go. It's a good performance memory, and not just that, but they make the outsides to where it actually fits the theme of the motherboard itself. So it's like it's made by the company. This one's the ultra durable looking one, and it's with the green for Gigabyte. And there's also another one for the Gigabyte as well. There's also, this one is for the Z87 series. And like I said, these look absolutely great on a board. Now, you notice that I'm holding just the heat spreader. They make them to where you can actually take the heat spreaders off, and if you want to custom paint them or customize the outside of these, we never like what comes out of the box. We always have to improve. So when we want to improve, Avexir has made it easier for us by making the heat spreader able to be able to take it off and paint it up or put some other kind of metal on the top of it or do whatever we can do, and then we can actually replace it on there. It uses the regular kind of non-sticky heat tape. Anyway, this is the actual inside of the RAM. It's got a beautiful finish on it. Even if you just wanted to use it naked like this, it'd look great. But I actually love the heat spreaders. Here's an example of the lighting right here that actually shows the way that it works. And if you notice, the light really does not take the complete board up. It just accents that dark area of the board where usually memory is. Another great thing about Avexir is they are in tune with the modders. The CEO of Avexir, he's very interested in what the modders want, and he's trying to fulfill those needs. So you can go on Facebook, and there are plenty of Avexir Facebooks, and you can actually participate in what the next generations are going to look like. This is the second generation after the Core, and this is the Blitz series. It's very nice. I got this 1600 megahertz edition, and they perform flawlessly. Now, I'm not an overclocker, but I've heard that they overclock really well. But I just want to give my Computer Chronicles endorsement to Avexir memory. I definitely approve of the Avexir memory. The Blitz series, it's beautiful. It complements all of the boards that are out there right now, and they're going to change them with the new 97s, I'm sure. They're going to also complement the X99 as well. And Avexir's here to stay. They are beautiful RAM. They do really well, and we thank Avexir for the opportunity for testing this RAM and checking. I did it long term. I didn't just turn around in a week and test it and say, okay, I like it. No, I held it on to it for a long time, and I've been using it exclusively in both of my boards, and I have no problems with them at all. The performance is just great, and so I just want to let you know, thank you very much, Avexir. Thank you for watching, and happy modding. And God bless.